SoftballMan, Fred. Your Fred, SoftballMan, say hello to you.
I've seen enough tests down here, man. I don't need to see no more tests. Well, I'll show you some bees. Don't go. Damn right.
I'm back out of here. Hey, SoftballMan, I better pull you out, man. I don't know yet. I can't pull the beams. Where you at there? JT, California, I heard that. You said good, day in Mississippi. Alright, man, I'm back out of here with my name you call again. Bye.
What about conditions all around, John? 426 Southeast Missouri in the Sony State. And we're standing by reading the mail. No modulation. Sorry, you're not talking. Somebody out there in that world saying, you're a 50-pound carrier with no problem. Hey, Jelly Belly, 5'8", Hey, Troublemaker, 5'8", waving right at it. Waving on him right back up to 269, waving a hand right. Hey, Troublemaker, you're coming up that way now. 5'8", around the land of Lincoln, and I'm a stepping. Hey, Jelly Belly, 5'8", waving right back from that state capital of Illinois. Hey, appreciate it. We like stirring up hornet's nest. You have a fine one out there. Sounding like a local on this end. 426 Southeast Missouri, and we're back live. Check, right back.
Test. We're small, radio. Test.
Oh, he just got it. Cold in Virginia for alligators. Hey, I talk to my radio like everybody else tells me they talk to the radio. 5'8", ain't no gators uptime. Yeah, man, listen. 60 degrees entry and 25 today. That's right. Trouble. Hey, good morning, Jelly Belly. Charlie waving right back. Yeah, we tried to say hello earlier, Mr. Jelly Belly, 51 waving. Who's that one calling me a gator out there? Let's go, 5'8". Hey, same back to you, Jelly Belly. Yeah, we got a good day going, got the coffee going, got the stove wood burning, but it's sure is cold outside, a little snow on the ground, but hey, we're inside where it's warm with a big old cup of mud. Hey, Jelly Belly, take care of my friend, old Charlie. Hey, 218, I believe you said it was 218, 5'8", Illinois waving.
Chicken Whipple and 456 craft.
Pleasure as always, Jelly Belly. That's my day. Well, starting up out there early.
We ain't doing it, man. You bring that coffee yet?
Not yet.
No coffee?
Not yet.
Oh, how's that?
I heard 258 Bulldozer. Hey, 258, you trying to get old Jelly Belly? Let me see. I got a Jelly Belly, Ginger Belly, Jelly Belly, no Jelly Belly. Hey, Jelly Belly, Bulldozer. I got a Jelly Belly.
I heard it, man. Oh, man, big deal. Man, other thing good. All right, don't eat too much now. save some of me.
Billy, 258 wants somebody to pass a 5. 256, Billy. 258 say, I 5 to you. Hey, Billy, I'm going to get my knees in the breeze. I'll see you.
Always, I'm back out of here.
Mr. Coffee, 58, Illinois, reading your mail. Hey, 10-4-5. That's up civil there. 98 Riverside. Get out there and brew some of that coffee up, Mr. Coffee. 58, Illinois, waving in a step out.